This is the 21 days challenge of speaking. Hi guys, this is me Vishal and today I'm just going to speak about speaking. Yes guys, because this is the last video on speaking, today I'm just going to speak that how to be fluent in English, how you can speak and what is the method of speaking in English, how much grammar you need to speak in English. So let's get started to this video. And guys, before starting I just say one thing, that is this would be last video of mine on speaking, because I made many videos on speaking, but this would be last video of speaking because I made the 3 pillars okay already, and this is the 4th pillars. So let's get started. Yes, I made 3 pillars like reading. I didn't make still writing, but I involved writing, reading, okay, and this is now speaking. I added writing and watching both similar, okay. Yes, I can say that the 5th pillar it is also involved, which is writing. If I say that it is needed, that I will make the another video on it. But today I'm just going to talk about how much grammar do you need to be fluent in English, how much grammar do you need to be speak. So guys, to speak in English, if I say that with basic grammar, with basic grammar you can speak, that it might not be wrong, because everyone has the right and everyone can speak without grammar. How? I'm just going to say, okay, wait. Suppose you are the beginner and you started something like reading. From reading, okay, you read aloud and you just measured some words, highlighted the words. Now you can speak now. You can speak. You can say water, you can say dish, you can say food. Like this way, you can say vegetables name, you can say masalas name, spices name, you can say. So like this way you can start speaking. That's nothing to say. Baby starts speaking like this way. Mom, dad, by calling mom, dad, by calling the names of the items, by calling everything. Baby starts learning. So why don't you learn? So if you are just a one step beginner, then you also can speak. What needs actually to speak, which is none other than courage. To speak you must be courageful, because we know, like I know English, I am intermediate, upper intermediate, I don't know where I am, but I am also speaking. So why don't you? But if you want to say that how to be fluent in speaking, then there are some techniques I'm just going to share. But to speak, you don't need to anything, you don't need any techniques, just speak whatever you think. So if like I am also want to be fluent means, first of all I want to clear what is the meaning of fluency according to me. Fluency means that when we speak we have all words, means to convey our thoughts. We can convey our thoughts, we can transfer our thoughts, we can say what we wanted to say. That is the meaning of fluency. It is not the meaning of that speed of like blah 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 things I said in just a second. No, it is not fluency, it is speed. But fluency means with accuracy, with manageable way, you said your words in clear ways, without repeating, without fumbling, without hesitation, without anything. You just transferred your thought to another person. Because it is called communication, it is called fluency. So that is fluency according to me. So now I'm just going to say that how to be fluent. Yeah, that is more important. Look, if you want to speak correct with accuracy, without fumbling, without hesitation, then there are few techniques which I am just using. So in this my 21 days challenge, I'm just saying to you, there are few techniques, which is number one, practice. Whatever you learned, whatever you note down, whatever you started, just practice it. Practice as much as you can. Practice speaking, practice writing, practice everything. This is the number one technique you have to do, because without practice you can't speak. And how to practice, I'll say in another video. Okay, first is practice. Please become familiar with your tongue. What does it mean, become familiar with your tongue? Yeah, because we speak with tongue and teeth. Yeah, tongue and teeth we speak. So what happens if you don't speak? If you, like I said my last video, that we have to read aloud, it will help you in this video. Like you started reading aloud, it will help you to get out words from your mouth. So, and after that, your tongue will be familiar with your words, so you can speak. Yeah, but how you can speak? You can speak, but you don't know that what am I speaking, right or wrong. So to know it, you have to do one thing, that is none other than you have to do just one thing, that is record yourself. Like me, I'm just recording here because I also want to be fluent. So that is the reason I'm just speaking here. So you can also record your videos, or you can also do mirror practice. So I must say that mirror technique is old. According to me, mirror technique is old, because in the mirror you are just talking. You don't measure your accuracy and anything. Yeah, you don't have anything. You will not get any feedback. But on YouTube, what happens? If your video ranks okay on your browse feature on YouTube, then you will get more comments, more like, more praise, everything you will get motivated or you will get demotivated. It depends on you, that what you think, what you take. So it depends on you. So yeah, this is that is like happens, that is where it happens. So there's nothing to say. Okay, so mirror technique is old. I'm not gonna suggest you the mirror technique. I'm just going to suggest you that you can do one thing, which is video technique. Record yourself, video every day, speak. Even though I'm getting views only 10, 12, 20, as 30, 40, but even though I'm recording the video, because yeah, one day it will come that when I will make videos, and within an hour the video will get 3k, 5k, 10k, 8k, 9k, 20k. Within an hour it will happen, because of consistency, because of everything. Yeah, but there's nothing. Okay, so another technique is that I said recording, I said speaking, I said practice. Yeah, the important technique is like you have to do every technique, you have to do every tricks and tips. There are some other tips also, which is record yourself, reading, writing, everything helps you. Everything involves watching also. Okay, listening, everything helps you. But the important thing is that if you don't speak, then you can't speak. That is final truth, the hard's truth. But yeah, if you can't speak, then you don't speak. If you don't speak, if you can't speak, what am I saying? So yeah, that is the reason you have to speak here, without getting delay yourself, without procrastination, without doing anything, without what will people think. I will make videos, or I will take challenge that publicly I will talk to strangers. Yeah, because of not you, because of myself also. And I'm just going to I wanted to show you that actually, yeah, I wanted to show you that it's been a long time that I actually wanted to show you, but right now, yeah, I don't know that how to show you. That is the reason I am here stopping myself. But yeah, I will show you that how to speak to strangers, because it will help me, and it is also will help you. So that is the reason. Okay, I will make some take courage here. Take courage in front, inside of you. Take courage, and you have to do one thing. There's no one is doing for you. You have to struggle every day. You have to do everything. You are the one who can do it, and there's nothing any shortcut. There are any nothings. There's nothing any 30 days course of speaking fluency. You have to be fluent because of the practice, because of the consistency, because of the using all techniques, because of writing, because of reasoning, listening, because of watching, because of reading aloud, because of taking vocabulary notes every day, because of everything you have done, you will be done. For it, you have to be speaking. I just started learning grammar, and I started learning grammar. I note down, I made sentences. That is the reason today I started speaking in 2024. Yeah, 22 to full little bit, and then I took challenges. I started making YouTube videos with inconsistent, but inconsistency. But yeah, it's okay. It is helping me right now. I actually on my YouTube that I uploaded at least 60 plus videos. Some videos are hidden by me. I uploaded 60 plus videos. It is a proud moment for me, because inconsistent. I love this making video, this way making videos. That is the reason I uploaded that so much videos. That is the reason. So love yourself, love what you are doing, and with consistency do your work. That is the last point of me, and this is the last tricks, tips, and everything on regarding speaking. So it is the last video on speaking. I will not make any other videos on speaking because it is the last, and I am not going to do the same tags again and again to getting the views. I will make many things, many things for you guys, so that you can know with everything. We just get to know everything, not only one topic. So see you in another video.